Lose weight with no dieting, no pills and even no strenuous exercise. Yes, I am claiming that you can with my weight loss tips, but you have to be very patient and set some long-term goals for yourself. A year would be a reasonable time to lose some weight, like this. It's all about simple math, really. Managing your weight is similar to bookkeeping in some aspects. You have to control income and expenditure. But in our body, having too much income or intake is not a good idea. Then we have to gain some fat weight, and for most of us, this is something we don't want to do. So isn't it really just about eating less? No, you don't need to eat less overall, or be hungry and maybe cranky. And you don't have to eat any diet pills, or powders, or anything like that. But back to the mathematical thing. I read about an experiment that how much ice water should be drunk to lose 1 kilogram of body weight. I'm not going to tell you that you should go and be a drinker of extreme ice water, but rather, as an example, a way to think of the matter in very basic mathematical terms. Pick other favorite weight loss tips from this list. Hot spices. Eating more protein. Eating more fiber. So-called negative calorie food. Eating more fat, but only omega-3 fatty acids. Drink more water. Note, negative calories don't exist, but some vegetables cause your body to use more calories when digesting them, among themselves, cabbage, celery and cucumber, just to mention a few. Here's another suggestion to read about all the good things that will come from increasing your daily water intake. How small changes in your daily habits can help. My weight loss tips today also include making some small changes in our daily habits. For example, consider not only sitting in front of a computer for hours and hours, but also standing for a while. Calorie consumption is slightly higher when you are standing than when you are sitting down. If your body weight is 70 kilograms, just sitting will burn 105 calories per hour, but when you stand up this will increase to 161 calories per hour according to the MET scale. MET equals metabolic equivalent function. Here's a little half joke to complete this video. The next time you're meditating, assuming you are, think deeply about changing your beer drinking habits, if you've got such, from a plain beer, a light beer, or a low-carb beer. Who knows how many pounds in a year, one small change will make you lose belly weight. Good luck in incorporating your newfound weight loss tips into your daily life. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.